Alexa, play. Oh, the pesky bird. He was once a free bird. I don't think so. And he was tamed to be the pesky bird that stole all the... So, next stop. And he was a pesky bird that stole the seeds. You once told me that he didn't have a name, but he had to get a name, so he stole the seeds and we got it. It's the pesky bird. Da 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 da. Alexa, stop. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, the pesky bird went round the green on the seeds. He took the seeds that we could have used for farming. Yeah, the pesky bird. The pesky bird, the pesky bird, the pesky bird. Oh! Okay, thanks guys for watching. This parody was suggested by Green, which is this is not Green, this is just my friend. And Green, thanks for doing it. Make sure to watch his Hermitcraft videos and the pesky bird. I will leave a link to his Hermitcraft, some of his Hermitcraft videos that had pesky bird in it. And yeah, and this is our new bird, pesky bird, in our survival series. Yeah, sub and like and sub. Thank you, Nick. Thank you very much. We're in a Zoom meeting, so I hope you guys liked it. I mean, this was my parody. So this was my parody and my Minecraft bird parody. So thank you guys all for watching. If you want to friend me, on Windows 10, my username is Leo03500. If you can remember that, I'm not putting it. And his is SharkyX65. And bye.